after the contests. As you all know, till the last year, we were distributing all the certificates of the contests at the end of the session, like in the month of December or January. You know this? But this time there is a change. We are distributing it just after the contest. Like last week we had Hindi festival. We are distributing it right now. There is a reason behind it. Can you tell me what's the reason? The reason is this, that those who have performed well, they will get the certificate right now, and those who are not able to give their best can do better in the coming competitions. Like we will be having many competitions in the coming months. You all have got I have sent the schedule also in the group. Have you gone through? Have you gone through the contest schedule? So every month we are having some of the contests we are having. So what you have to do? You have to work hard and you have to improve yourself. This contest is just for improving your personality. What you can, how can you give your best apart from your academics? Like here we had many contests. We started from the English vocabulary we had. So apart from your exams, this is not your exam. This is just for your fun. This is like a fun activity. You should enjoy studying. For the contest is why it's held, so that you can enjoy the things which are given to you to study. So we had English vocabulary. Then what was the second contest? Hindi Kavita Buno. So that showed your creativity. The third one was Hindi storytelling. The story that you can understand and you have to recite before your classmates and teachers. And then was the elocution. So all these contests again we will be having for the English also. After the exams, firstly you have to get ready for your exams terminal. Then after the exams you will be having your English festival week. And before the exams in the next month, like in August, you will be having quiz, GK quiz. So prepare yourself. So many of you have performed very well. I am very happy with you all. Some of you needs improvement and can do much better. So I will be distributing the certificates right now. So those who will be not getting, don't get disheartened. Improve yourself and you can achieve this in the next month. So it's very nearby. So last year you have to wait for a year to get the certificate, and this time only a month. This is July, and in the coming month, like in August, we will be having 4th of August, you will be having your GK. Improve yourself and achieve it. You are going to achieve or not? Say yes loudly. Yes. Yes. So I want all of you to be active and to just revise the syllabus. Any contest which you are conducting now, that's from your syllabus only. So if you are going through your books and notebooks, like in GK, you will be having not only from your GK book, that will be from your all the subjects. General studies means all the subjects. So just go through your books. The questions will be coming from your syllabus only. So for this, what you have to do? You have to study in your studies. Study in your studies means there should be consistency in your studies. Every day, go on your books, revise your syllabus, then you are going to do well. So firstly, we will be having the assembly first. One of you come in front for the prayer. Firstly, we will be giving these certificates. Afterwards, we will be giving the book one. पहले सारे classes का ये दे दीजिएगा. इन लोगों को तो gifts नहीं है ना. So I am distributing the certificates right now. We'll start with class 1 with Hindi Kavita Buno Pratiyogita. Mohammad Shadan Kausar, come up. Anabia Khalid, 1A. Take this, come Anabia. Ibrar Ayub, stand with the certificate here. Face that side. Shadan, say thank you. Islam, Kavita Buno. These certificates are for Kavita Buno. Atif Islam, Fatma Iqbal, Aramal Majid, stand here. Face the Come this side, come this side. Alishba Naz 1B for Hindi elocution contest. Alishba has not come yet. Aliza Altaf 1B for Kavita Buno. Stand here. Say thank you. Charlize Sayyid Mohammad Wasif Standard 2 Hindi Kavita Buno. Arham Ahmed Akbari. Arhan Ahmed Akbari. Take your certificate. Say thank you while receiving the certificates and stand in front. Aqib Islam Standard 3rd Hindi Kavita Buno. अच्छा, this is from 3. Third में आ गया. अच्छा ठीक है. I'm calling the third also. Now I'm calling you go. I'm calling the names from class 3. Go and join your lines. Everyone while receiving the certificates. Adila Naz Standard 3rd for Hindi Kavita Buno. Umaima Kulsum Standard 3rd for Hindi Kavita Buno. Afia Akbari Standard 3rd for Hindi Kavita Buno. Misbah Abedin Standard 3rd for Hindi Kavita Buno. Ali Mahmood Standard 3rd for Hindi Kavita Buno. Afia, this is yours. This is Adila Naz. Take your certificate. Ali Mahmood for Hindi Kavita Buno. Misbah, take your certificates. Most welcome. A combined competition for Hindi Kavita Buno is Afaq Naqib Nizami, class 5th, and Ashfaq Naqib Nizami, class 4th for Hindi Kavita Buno. So these certificates were for the participation. Those who have done well, we have distributed the certificates. Now the next certificates is for the children who have secured first place. Okay, now go and join the classes. अरहम का एक और होगा ना ये. अच्छा. Clap for them. Nobody is clapping for any of the certificates. Clap for your friends. Now go and join the. Now this is for Arham Anwar. He has done outstanding in most of the activities and contests that were done. This is the certificate of all-rounder Arham Anwar. He has done well in most of the activities, so he is the best one. So take your certificate. See in front. Take your gift. So you will be getting this. Sure, ma'am. एक हैंड में सर्टिफिकेट रखिए बेटा, इस तरह से. हाँ. Stand here. Stand in front. See in front. Hindi vocab class 2. He has secured first place in Hindi vocabulary. Come. Clap for him. Take this also. See the ma'am. Hamza Safid, class 3rd, first place in Hindi vocabulary. Are you clapping? Take this. Thank you, Muli ma'am. Afia Akbari, class 3rd, Hindi storytelling and elocution. See the face. See that side, class 5th. Afaq Naqib Nizami, class 5, Hindi elocution. Most welcome. Class 5, Sabia Parveen for Hindi storytelling. Absent. Ashfaq Naqib Nizami, class 4 for Hindi vocab. Most welcome. Everybody clap for your friends. Class 2 Hindi elocution. इसका certificate क्या हुआ इसका? Hindi elocution first place. Come. Certificate इनका मैम ने नहीं लिखा है. Gift नहीं. Who haven't got anything, don't be disheartened. As I have told you earlier, We have many contests in the coming months. You have to work hard and you have to achieve the certificates. Okay. Now once more clap for our champions.